Hello Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Hope you enjoyed your May monthly readings. I'm back again with your weekly from the 11th to the 17th of May. Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please send us the message my dear Aquarius needs to know for the the week of 11th to 17th of May. Thank you. I've pre-shuffled these cards, meditated on them, so I'm just going to start now. Here, Aquarius, I'm going to lay down two sets of cards, one for you, one for the other person, and then we'll have a mutual energies in the middle as well. So this side could be you, this side could be the other person, or vice versa. And here we have your mutual energies. Aquarius, if you need a private reading, do get back to me at omkara@gmail.com. And we're good to go. So the first card I have here is the Emperor. I also have the Ace of Wands. Magician. Wow. The Sun. The Seven of Pentacles and the Hermit. Somebody's in deep thought about their happiness. Okay, the other side I have the Seven of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Three of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Ace of Swords in reverse, and the Ten of Coins. Okay, and here we have for your mutual energies the Knight of Wands in reverse, the Tower in reverse, and the Knight of Wands in the upright. So what's going on with you, Aquarius? Let's see. My first impression of this reading is, you know what I want to say? So cute. I have two people here on both sides. Both are in fantasy land. Both are trying to manifest. This is a typical case of, love in quarantine. Maybe you both have plans of rushing ahead with whatever you want, but you have to wait for a while. But meanwhile, there is on this side the energy of a strong masculine, the Emperor, who wants to take charge, wants to take control. He wants to let go of any burdens, in the past of waiting or whatever, and wants to charge towards you, the Ace of Wands. Passion at its finest, I would say. He wants to be the magician. He wants to take this forward. He wants wish fulfillment now. He doesn't want to wait anymore. There's no more, he doesn't want any more conversations, no stagnation, nothing. He just wants to move forward because he knows that you are the one that lights up their life. You're the sun, and they want complete happiness with you. I had the Lovers in reverse. It somehow went back. They don't want to be without you, it seems. They feel there is no sun without you in their lives. Okay. Yeah. They want a reunion with you, or they want this, maybe there are plans to get engaged or married or, meet up, and they're not being able to do that at the moment. So all they're doing is planning. They're sitting and planning as to how, what, when, what can happen. Deep contemplation going on, going within. Lots of planning energy here, I see. Knowing exactly what they want and how, they don't want to wait any longer. They no longer want to wait for things to work out for them. They're sitting and thinking of why can't it happen now? Going back and forth in their mind, planning, plotting, not plotting, but planning for the future, it seems. Oh, this is so exciting. Okay, well, I'll take one more card for the Ace of Wands on this side. This person seems wants a new beginning now. That's exactly what I said. The Ace of Wands, let me see. Ace of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Pentacles. Passion, new beginnings is all that this person is thinking of. And just, being in in hermit mode, it seems right now. Not really sharing with everybody, but thinking about it constantly as to how, this person can manifest it sooner than later. Doesn't want you to, have the time to walk away from them or anything. They are so excited. So excited about this. It's too many cards. One second. They can't wait for the cycle of, being in separation or things. They can't wait for this. They are getting irritated with why is this not finishing so they can start a brand new cycle, with you. This side I see the same energy. This person is fantasizing as well. Normally this would be a card of, having too many options or being confused. But here I see it as fantasies. Yes. Because there's a Six of Wands right alongside it as well. Wanting victory as soon as possible. Having, dreams of the parties that are going to happen probably, or the reunion that's going to take place. They almost see it as, it's what do you call it? A spiritual union for them, which is coming about. They're looking forward to having, clear communication, moving ahead, being very practical. 10 of Coins, 10 of Pentacles is the family card. That's on their mind. Oh, wow. Also, I see that with the Ace of Swords, this person is trying to make very practical decisions. Trying to make very practical decisions, knowing, that the planning has to be correct so that both of you can achieve this 10 of Coins soon. They're also, sitting and worrying about it. Why? Because maybe there's some separation here. In the mutual energy this week, I see that both know that they have, you both have to think about this practically. As much as you're both dreaming and wishing to be together, you both realize that now is the time to be practical in the situation. And both are totally in your, both having emotional talks probably. Don't want to make any foolish. Both know that this is a time where there's a bit of a pause, and it has to be seen practically. Yet both wanting to rush into each other, with each other. Please give us a few more clarifications for their mutual energy, Spirit, Aquarius and their person. I had a beaker here. Yes, right now you feel that, you're not being able to move forward. Right now both of you are feeling that you're not being able to move forward because maybe the circumstances with the quarantine going on. Both getting very emotional about it. Both trying to dream about the other person, have emotional conversations probably, but both wanting to rush with their plans and also trying to, be practical, trying to think about the situation, because some things are, time is something which is not always in our hands. You people are so much in your fantasy land. You want to come out of that now. You're both dreaming of each other. You want to come back and maybe get back together. To take things forward. Let's see what I have at the bottom of the deck here. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune is there for you, so don't have to worry. uh, it takes a bit of time, but everything is going to be okay. So what you're doing is the correct thing. Make your plans, dream of your future, make practical decisions. I don't know why I'm shuffling this, but yes. So yes, exactly. That's why I was shuffling it. Okay, so right now you're both stuck because you really can't, move forward. You want to, but you can't. So both making plans to see the Queen of Pentacles is that loving, caring, nurturing queen. So, and you're in the Hanged Man, one of you. Both thinking, taking things in their hand to see how best we can move forward in a good, practical way. Okay, so before I end the reading, I'm going to take a blessing card as usual for you, Aquarius, and your special one. Do subscribe, Aquarius, so we keep meeting week after week and month after month, and giving some good news. Please leave a comment. It really helps to interact, I feel happy to know that some of my readings may be helping somebody or working for you. Okay, the card I have for you today, Aquarius. Your prayers will soon be answered. This is the angels are working behind your back. Everything is fine. Whatever you've been wishing, praying, fantasizing about, they're listening to everything, and your dreams will soon come true. Let me take one more for you. I normally, plan to take one card, but then they resonate so beautifully with the entire reading that I get so tempted to take another one. So let's take another one for you. And the card we have for you is Don't Compromise. Okay, so if this is the time that you have for yourself and you can't move ahead, don't be in a rush to, push things forward quickly. Take this time to nurture and nourish yourself. Maybe this is God-given time for you to take charge and look after your own health, your own body, your own self, and plan out whatever don't be in a rush. Don't do things haphazardly. I mean, don't go on the internet and get married, please, huh? Wait for that lovely wedding to happen, and everything will be well. God bless you, Aquarians. See you soon. Play music and be happy. Have a lovely week ahead. God bless and take care.